Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about my new iPhone 12. So as you can see, this is the box over here, and I'm going to say this to you guys, this is not an unboxing video. I've been using now my iPhone 12 for like 3-4 days now. In this video I'm just going to share my experience of using my iPhone 12 for last 3-4 days and why in the first place I bought it, considering the fact that this video is being recorded in the month of August in 2021, and we're just a month or 1.5 months away from getting new iPhone, that is iPhone 13. So in this video I'm just gonna discuss the reasons why I bought iPhone 12 in the month of August and how has it been for me. And also I chose this purple color which got released 1.5 months back. So in this video we're going to take a look at the box packaging. As you can see, the box is quite slim as of now. So as you can see, in older days we used to get this kind of fat box wherein we used to get a lot of chargers, accessories, a lot of stuff. But in this video I'm just going to show you what comes all in the box. And also, as you can see, also I have bought this Apple original silicon case, which is also happens to be a MagSafe case. So I have also made a review of this case specially dedicated on my channel, so check this card out over here so you can go ahead and check this video. So but in this video let's talk about iPhone 12, and with that being said, let's start the video. But before that, if you're new here and happen to enjoy this kind of videos on my channel, do give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel. It gives me a lot of motivation to make more of this kind of videos. Now with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first things first, as you can see, this is how the box looks like, and the color is called purple. So as you can see, this is how thin the box looks like, and if you open the box, there are not a lot of things that you get. So you get this little pamphlet and then SIM ejector tool, no charger of course, and then you get this USB-C to lightning cable. This is a very important cable. If you would like to use your 20-watt power adapter or stuff, then you would have to use this cable. Otherwise, if you have a cable which has USB to lightning C port, then you can use that of course. But then again, if you want to take the advantage of USB 20-watt power adapter, then you would have to use this cable. So that's provided, that's actually good. Now let's have a look at the phone itself. As I said before, this is the purple color that I went for, and this is how the phone looks like. As you can see, the color is actually looks good, and I wanted to go for this color. As you can see, this is how the phone looks like. Let me just unlock my phone and put my passcode. Alright, so this is how the phone looks like, and the first things first, I would say how slim is the phone. Look at this, and this iPhone 12 came with a square of design. For comparison, I have my iPhone XR over here. As you can see, this is the iPhone XR on the left side, and on the right I have iPhone 12. As you can see, this is how the difference looks like. And if you hold iPhone XR, it's kind of roundy shape that you get with iPhone XR, wherein with iPhone 12 it's kind of a boxy shape. So if you would like to put your phone on the table or things like that, your phone would actually stand on the table. So that's the thing you get with your iPhone 12. But in case of iPhone XR, it's a round of shape that you kind of get with the older phones. So then again, if you guys are having iPhone 11, the similar design would be there, which you can see on iPhone XR. So the new design, which looks kind of cool to me, this is totally a squared off design. And also, as you can see, there are new cameras of course, and I love the camera, man, because the back camera has been improved so much, and also in terms of front camera as well. So this actually performs a lot better than iPhone XR. People who have bought iPhone 11 in the last year, they were happy with the iPhone 11 performance, but I directly wanted to go to iPhone 12, wanted to skip the iPhone 11, because iPhone 11 and iPhone XR, the dimensions are exactly similar. It has a dual camera and a better front facing camera. So the similar things we get with iPhone 12, but with iPhone 12 we get a better camera, and on top of that we get a better front facing camera, and on top of that the new design is really cool. So now talking about the software experience, I've been using this iPhone 12 for now 3-4 days, and it's buttery smooth. I've been using iOS 14.7.1 on this. Let me show you. If I go to the settings, if I go to the general and about section, as you can see, I'm running on iOS 14.7.1 and the build number is 18GB2. And talking about the battery life, man, let me go to the battery life section, and first let me talk about the battery health. So as you can see, the battery health is of course 100% and it is at its peak performance capability. And as you can see, I have not been using my phone too much, but I would say with iOS 14.7.1 the battery life is really good. I've been getting a screen on time of 4 hours 46 minutes, and if I click on last 7 days, as you can see, the graph is missing because since last 3-4 days only I have started using this phone, so that's why there are no graph present before that. And as you can see, this is the average screen on time and screen off time. Now let's talk about the benchmark. I have this Geekbench 5. As you can see, this is the configuration. It runs on a 14 Bionic chip. So talking about the benchmark, I've run the benchmark. Let me go to the history section. Let me show you. So as you can see, the single core score is 1117 and the multi-core score is 1988. So that's really good. So as you can see here, so this is how the phone performs in terms of benchmarking, and in terms of performance it's really smooth. There are no lag whatsoever, and we don't expect a lag, right? It's a new iPhone, we don't expect a lag. So I just wanted to share my experience with you. And also now let's talk about the cover that also I bought from Apple. This is the amethyst color silicon cover which supports MagSafe charging as well. So I bought that. It costed me around 4,990, almost 5k. I've made a video on that. You can check out the video on my channel. So this is how the cover looks like, and the purple color goes actually well with this amethyst cover. There are a lot of colors available like dark red and yellow and blue. So they have given a fancy name called Capri blue and blah blah blah, but I have chosen this amethyst color because I think this goes really well with this iPhone 12. So let's just put this cover and let's see how is the fit. This actually works very fine. So this is how the cover looks like with the phone, and as you can see, the fit is actually really good. And here is your camera bump, and it's well protected. It has a little bit of bump to protect your camera. And talking about the edges and cuts, as you can see, these are very proper, and you would have no complaints as you are already paying a premium for Apple products. So then again, in this video I just wanted to share my experience, and also I have this old iPhone XR on which I have now installed iOS 15. To be honest, I've been making iOS 15 videos as well. So if you're not checking out my iOS 15 videos, do check out the videos, do check out the playlist on my YouTube channel, and let me know whether you're interested to get iOS 15. So then again, I just wanted to share my experience using my new iPhone 12 for 3-4 days. I hope the phone performs really well, and I'm also looking forward to see what iPhone 13 has to offer this year. And probably iPhone 13 is going to be launching in the month of September or in the starting of October. So we are still yet to see that. So then again, I just wanted to share my experience on this video with my new iPhones. I hope you like the video. Give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel because that means a lot to me. And with that being said, I will see you on my next video. Bye.